In this video, I am going to show you how to make a spot market trade on KuCoin website. In other words, how to make your first trade on KuCoin. Before diving into the first trade, ensure that you've completed the necessary preliminary steps, which are you have verified your KuCoin account and you have funded or deposited funds to your KuCoin account. Once verified and funded your KuCoin account, let's proceed. 1. Open your web browser and go to KuCoin's website. Log into your account and select Spot Trading from the Trade option along the top menu. 2. After selecting Spot Trading, you will see the KuCoin Spot Trading interface. Here, you can choose the trading pair, view chart information, market depth, and place orders. 3. Locate the trading pair section tool at the top left of the trading interface. Click on it to choose your desired trading pair, for example, Bitcoin and USDT. At the bottom right of the spot trading interface, enter your 6-digit trading password. Just note that KuCoin might prompt for this password every 2 hours for security reasons. There are different order types available, including limit orders, market orders, stop limit orders, stop market orders, and one cancels, and the other OCO orders. For simplicity, just choose a market order. In the BTC USDT spot trading interface, you'll see Buy Bitcoin and Sell Bitcoin columns. Since we want to buy Bitcoin with USDT, focus on the left one. Select Market from the Order drop-down, and the price field changes to Best Market Price. Enter the amount of USDT you want to trade for BTC. You can also use quick percentage buttons for convenience. Review the order details. If satisfied, click the green Buy BTC button to place your order. Your open orders can be viewed under the Open Orders tab, and once filled, check your order history under the Order History tab. And congratulations, you've made a spot market trade on KuCoin. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.